All right, mate. Let's look at data here. It's been on fire. I I would probably say it needs cooling off after a 200% bounce. Um, 227. Yeah, that's from memory, 200%. So we had this bounce, and it's pretty interesting because we came right into the body of this. Look at this resistance point right on here. Um, I I would probably think it needs more action, more consolidation. Um, a new 3-day candle actually on is it 16? Oh no, 5 hours. Yeah, a new 3-day candle, 5 hours. So actually, it's interesting here for a new 3-day candle. But definitely, yeah. It may want to move, right? I would just trade the direction of it on a new 3-day candle because it, depending on the overall market, if the overall market is pretty bullish, this should move up and take liquidity. See this pivot right here? Let me draw that better. See this pivot right here? Price will want to come up and take liquidity up into this area where this stop hunt was. It may even come up and stop hunt that area. But if the market is bullish, it'll do that. Okay, so you need to be reactive in the moment. If it opens bearish, you might even get a sell-off and then come back and do that later. Okay, so it really depends on Bitcoin at this point. Sometimes when you get monstrous volume like this, there can be some selling pressure before getting that next up move. And when I say that, I mean, it can come down and chop about before getting that real move. This looks like breakout volume to me. So I wouldn't be afraid of a sell-off. If we sell off here, it's going to bring opportunity, right? See this support here, right across here, and see right through here. If price comes back into this level, it's probably a load up point, right? I really think that that's a very good area to be loading up on data. If we drop into this, that for me would probably be a buy and hold. Look at this volume. Is this chart going to load? Or maybe that's all the data. Is that all the data we have on data? Bloody hell. Anyway, this is very interesting, and if we drop back down into support, could be a very good buying opportunity. So I wouldn't be buying here. I would wait for a new 3-day, and there may be a trade to the upside, but I would prefer to drop first. So it's one to be reactive on a new 3-day candle.